Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Teppo Kauppinen and today we are unboxing HobbyWing motor for 1/8 scale off-road car. This is 1900 and let's have a look what's inside. So here we have the motor. It's a pretty big one if you compare to 1/10 scale and feels heavy. Let's have a closer look. Here we have a user manual, connecting wires and sensor cables. We have short one and a little bit longer one included. And motor, we have ABC connections here. Here is the sensor port and it's built with the two large screws that hold it together if you need to open it for maybe you are changing the rotor or bearings, so then you have to open these two screws and take it apart. Axle is 5 millimeters, so it's pretty thick, and overall this motor looks really nice. And here you can have a timing. The box stock is 30 degrees. So this is motor for my 1/8 scale car, off-road car, and should be okay. Thanks for watching and see you next time.